Po sa aking channel. Ang akin po i-discuss ngayon ay writing the general equation of a circle to its standard form or center radius form, the quantity of x minus h squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared is equal to r squared, wherein the coordinates of the center is a point hk and the radius is equal to r. Now take a look number 1. We have x squared plus 4x plus y squared minus 6y minus 14. If you will notice, this is a complete square. So therefore, we are going to apply completing the square. We are going to group all the terms with x and all the terms with y. So therefore, we will have the quantity of x squared plus 4x plus, we are going to complete the square later, plus the quantity of y squared minus 6y plus what? And then the negative 14, I will write it on the right side. Addition property of equality. We will have equals 14. Now, how are we going to get the constant or the last term in order to have a complete square or perfect square trinomial? We get the 1/2 of the coefficient of b. Remember that this is written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So 1/2 of b, which is 4, will be equal to 2. Squared it, that will be 4. So that is 1/2 of 2 squared, that is 2 squared is equal to 4. So this is 4. 1/2 of 6 or 6 divided by 2 if you want will be equal to 3. Square it, 9. So we add 4 and we add 9. So therefore, you will have the quantity of x plus 2 squared plus the quantity of y minus 3 squared is equal to 14 plus 4, 18 plus 9 is 27. And this can be the answer now. Or if you want, you can express this as the square root of 27. But in this case, we can now determine the center, which is located at point -2, 3, and the radius is equal to the square root of 27, or you may have 3 square root of 3 units. I hope you are getting it. Let's go to number 2. So in number 2, you have x squared. This one, plus 3. Plus what? Plus y squared. Plus 2y. Addition property of equality or transpose. Plus 1 is equal to 11. 1/2 of 3. Square it. Here, 1/2 of 2, square it, plus 1/2 of 3, square it, plus 1/2 of 2, square it. So we add these two constant on the left side. We do it on the right side in order to maintain equality. But what is 1/2 of 3? 3 over 2. You square 3 over 2, you will have x squared plus 3x plus 9 over 4. What about here? Plus the quantity of y squared plus 2y. 1/2 of 2 is 1. Square it plus 1 is equal to 11 plus 9 over 4 plus 1. And you will have x plus 3 over 2, the quantity squared, plus the quantity of y plus 1 squared. This will be 12. This is 2 and 1/4. Or, if this is 12, plus 9 over 4, remember, 12 can be written as 48 over 4. 48 over 4 will be 12. Plus 9 over 4, that will be 57 over 4. X plus 3 over 2 squared plus the quantity of y plus 1 squared is equal to 57 over 4. So what is the center? It is located where? Negative 3 over 2, negative 1, particularly in the third quadrant, and the radius is equal to the square root of 57 over 2. Because the square root of 4 is 2 units. I hope you are getting it. For the last one, take a look. Number 3, take a look. So, the coefficient of x squared is 4, not equal to 1. And even the y squared is 4. So what do we do first? Make the coefficient of x squared and y squared equal to 1. How do we do that? We multiply both sides by 1/4. Or divide each term by 4 if you want. Or divide each term by 4. Or 4x squared minus 8x plus 4y squared plus 24y plus 39 over 4 equals 0. Over 4, over 4, over 4, over 4. Why 4? To make this equal to 1. And this will become what? Cancel. X squared minus 2x plus what? Plus, you have here cancel y squared plus 6y plus what? Equals negative 39 over 4. What will be here? This will be equal to 1. What will be here?
9.
This will be 9. So, you add 1 and 9. Factorable, the quantity of x minus 1 squared plus the quantity of y minus 3 squared is equal to negative 39 over 4 plus 10. So we get now the least common denominator. The quantity of x minus 1 squared plus the quantity of y minus 3 squared is equal to LCD understood over 1. 4 divided by 4, 1 times negative 39, negative 39 plus 4 divided by 1 times 10, 40. So therefore, quantity of x minus 1 squared plus the quantity of y minus 3 squared is equal to 1/4. So, you may have the quantity of x, this must be what? Plus, thank you so much, x minus 1 squared plus the quantity of y plus 3 squared is equal to 1/2 squared. Pwede yun. So, center is at 1, negative 3, and the radius is equal to 1/2 unit. Thank you so much. Keep watching. I hope you are all learning. Don't forget to share and like. Thank you so much. Mabuhay.